right, this is our 5th patty that we're going to be trying, and it's our first stop on the west side. Just a regular paper bag. Allwyn's Bakery in Etobicoke on the Queensway. Damn, I'm pattied out. This is like the 3rd or 4th one I've had today. But spicy beef patty. Very, very flaky. They got a pretty good rating online. I think they're more known for their food. They got like sandwiches and other stuff. This is just another spicy beef patty, super hot. Oh shit. Pretty big. Pause. Yeah, big mess, big time mess. Yeah, like I said, super duper flaky, smells good. I would say this one has the most meat out of all the ones I've seen so far. Let's try it out. Look at my hands, man. Damn. Meat all the way to the end. Sometimes the closer you get to the edge, the less meat there is, but this one's pretty packed. There's a very distinct taste that all the other ones didn't have. The bread is kind of thick, but it's super flaky, so it's good. The meat is good. Spice is not, it's not, you know, like all the other ones, it's not super spicy. This one I'm pretty sure a kid could eat. Very big mess. Like, by far the flakiest one out of all of them. It's so different from, what was that last guy? PJ's. PJ's was awesome, but it was like literally half the size of this thing in terms of the thickness, pause, and like, you know, the dimensions. It was smaller, but not like way smaller, but just the thickness of it. Like the bread on this one is thicker. Look at this. And like the crust, it's just really flaky. Damn. These were sitting in a glass cage too, but it's still like super fresh, like fresh out of the oven type of feel. Is it better than PJ's? I think so. Like the meat is really moist too. Pause. Cover my face. Yeah, it's I'm gonna go with a 9 point. Damn, I don't know. It's really good. They have a bunch of locations too. I wonder if they're all the same, but yeah, I'm gonna go with a 9.5. 9.5. Yeah, that's fair. This is the one on the Queensway in Etobicoke. If you get the chance, I highly recommend it. It's fucking awesome. All right, see you in a bit. I'm on the last bite. I honestly don't know what the fudge that is, man. Like, it's a very different taste from the other places. I don't know if it's like a veg or some kind of spices or something, but yeah. I don't know if I fucked up. Maybe I should have went 9.6. Yeah, fuck it. 9.6.